Line them up.
Ooh, catch a nigga slipping like a gray white. Creeping through the back door, make your front lawn your gravesite. These niggas bitches and I hate dice. That chopper got a dick on it like I'm supporting gay rights. Nigga, catch a bullet like you Jay Rice. This shotgun gon' make a nigga move back. Nigga, these ain't prop guns, you fuck around, get blue back. The nigga acting like he smoking gas, but it's booth pack. My nigga, we don't do that. He got a strap, but he could lose that. Lil' Brody pull up, take it from you like, hey, we can use that. The bitch just keep on talking out her mouth when she could use that. If hoes came with remotes when she spoke, I mute that. They don't like how I be talking, I don't like to talk. Them outline his body with hollow tips, I ain't like to chalk. Big $600 shoes, she like to walk. Knew she was a hoe, she in them hills, but run like Marshall Falk. We the same color, but you can get killed like my name A-Dog. Your brother is a snitch, but when you see that shit, your name Ray Charles. Niggas hoes, nah, niggas bitches, niggas acting like they dogs. It ain't no discrimination, we'll shoot it out with the law. Nigga, we'll shoot it out with the law. The way the pistol bust, you wouldn't be wrong to say I'm getting off. I ain't gon' get no fuck, cause if I do, I gotta get involved. My nigga called.
What's the deal, folks?
Hey, nah shit, niggas on the op list. Niggas pocket watching, better watch who you go shop with. Ay, get a nigga nailed with a black Glock, it's got this. I be lost without you, baby, singing to that bitch like Rock Thick. I'm praying to my gun, not to God. Nigga, if I ever hired you to do my work for me, you be fine. Cause I need what I desire. People sleep, but they ain't tired. Oh, these niggas must be high, wipe away them crusty eyes. He alive. And he saying that he not, lock him up. Throw the key away, these niggas squares or someone box him up. I never been surprised by a bitch that let me fuck. I be more surprised if a nigga call me down and let me up. Hey, close that back door, nigga, better keep it shut. Suppress on my shit so niggas know I'm finna keep it hush. I'm headlining this show, do the promoter know I keep it tucked? Cause it ain't going up, not in this club, bitch, I'm heating up, nigga. Hey, boom without the shakalaka. Nigga musta thought I was a stain. Now I got him out. You can't speak on jock and switch the topic, boy, I gotta pop you. Nigga better take care of his son before he ain't got a father. Burn on me, it's a near reach. Ho, I got the lava. Bitch, I know it's hot, this ain't no beanie, this a balaclava. Baby, this some $300 jeans I'm ashing on. I'm passing on her friend, I told her to go pass it on. Ooh, catch a nigga slipping like a gray white. Creeping through the back door, make your front lawn your gravesite. These niggas bitches and I hate dice. That chopper got a dick on it like I'm supporting gay rights. Nigga, catch a bullet like you Jay Rice. This shotgun gon' make a nigga move back. Nigga, these ain't prop guns, you fuck around, get blue back. The nigga acting like he smoking gas, but it's booth pack. Hey, take that shit away, man.
Hey, V.